Hi there, Francesca here from InnerBeautyHealing.us to let you know about the CNC, the Cosmic Newscast. What's a Cosmic Newscast? Well, it's when my sister, Reverend Dr. Trinity, and I get together to discuss and talk about the current social change in relationship to the cosmic forces. Super exciting and juicy for you and me when you get to know what is above and relate to it so below. Anyway, when is it? It happens every Thursday, the second Thursday of the month at 6 to 6:30 Pacific Time PM, and you can register for it on our website under the seminars page, the CNC. And just to let you know what's coming up, we're going to discuss more about that interesting Pluto, U.S. Pluto return that happened on February 20th, 2022. And guess what? There were a lot of interesting social changes that happened right after. And with that, I hope I'll get to see you online in the cloud. Bye for now.